आईएमए यानी इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी, जहां सेना के अफसर तैयार होते हैं। आईएमए जहां योद्धा तैयार होते हैं। आईएमए जहां से निकले अफसर सेनाओं की दिशा और दशा तय करते हैं। इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी की आन बान और शान विदेशों तक है। 1932 में जब आईएमए की स्थापना हुई तो उस पहले बैच के 3 अफसरों मोनेक्सो ने भारत, मोहम्मद मूसा ने पाकिस्तान और स्मिथ डन ने अपने देश बर्मा की सेना का नेतृत्व किया। उस समय आईएमए ने अपने पहले बैच को द पायनियर्स का नाम दिया था। इसी से समझा जा सकता है कि आईएमए क्यों विश्वविख्यात है। हर साल यहाँ 2 बार पासिंग आउट परेड होती है और हमारे देश ही नहीं बल्कि कई मित्र देशों को भी बेहतरीन जांबाज सेना नायक मिलते हैं। इस बार 12 दिसंबर को आईएमए देहरादून की पासिंग आउट परेड है। ईटीवी भारत अपने दर्शकों के साथ उन विदेशी जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स के अनुभव साझा कर रहा है जो आईएमए देहरादून की कठिन, अनुशासित, देश प्रेम सेवा से ओतप्रोत ट्रेनिंग को पूरा करके पीओपी का बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
Namaskar, welcome to ETV Bharat. Today we are at IMA Dehradun, that is Indian Military Academy, and you can see some cadets standing behind me. These are the cadets who are from various foreign countries and who are here for the training session. And now they have completed their training and soon on 12th of December they'll be the part of passing out parade. So let's talk to them and know their training experience. First of all, I would just like to know from you, how was the training experience and from which country do you belong?
Actually, I am Gentleman Cadet DPS Piris. I am from Sri Lanka, and here as a foreign GC, there's 2 entries. One is direct entries, and one those who come in from from NDA. After graduating from National Defence Academy, I came here, and then I had actually I should take it is basically based on some military training. So actually I had very great experience with my course mates, including foreign GCs as well as my Indian GCs. I think this bond will carry along my life. Actually it is a very good experience, I should tell.
अब मिलिए मॉरिशस के जेंटलमैन कैडेट से जो अपनी आईएमए की ट्रेनिंग और लक्ष्य के बारे में बता रहे हैं।
I'm Gentleman Cadet Chiranjeev Bangsi. I'm from Mauritius. Actually, to be part of the army is when after school, then my aim was to serve for the country, and serving for Mauritian Army first. Then after that, I got to enrollment in NDA, National Defence Academy. After National Defence Academy, came to IMA. This is like a step to becoming an officer. It's the commissioning academy. And here we got various exposures to different training tactics, training facilities and infrastructures that molds us in a great officers for the leading of our troops for the future.
आइए अब मित्र राष्ट्र नेपाल के जेंटलमैन कैडेट से मिल लीजिए और सुनिए आईएमए देहरादून के बारे में उनका क्या अनुभव है।
Ma'am, I am Gentleman Cadet Biplav Zankesi. I am from Nepal. As I am experience, I had a very good experience. The training over here is very scheduled and very useful for us. All the tactics, drill, physical, all the training, whatever we are getting here is very helpful and fruitful in our upcoming career. Whatever leadership quality we get here, I may just not make us an officer, it makes us as a leader, ma'am.
मालदीव के मोहम्मद सिद्दीकी को तो आईएमए देहरादून की ट्रेनिंग ने पूरा निखार दिया है।
I'm Gentleman Cadet Mohammed Siddiq from Maldives. So, personality, we have been in first term to our passing out, and we have been taught how to dress well and how to conduct ourselves in mass, and also to toughen our relations. We are being together, our Indian counterparts and us. So this will be a synergy for us in future for if there would be any operation between against a common adversary.
म्यांमार के जेंटलमैन कैडेट से मिलिए जिनके चेहरे पर अपने देश से पहला इंडियन जेंटलमैन कैडेट बनने की खुशी छिपाए नहीं छिप रही है।
I am Gentleman Cadet Lintrum. I am from Myanmar, and for part of Indian Army, I am the first GC from Myanmar. And before that, I joined Myanmar Military Academy, and from where I got enrollment to National Defense Academy, Katawasla. And after passing out from the NDA, I joined as an ex-NDA for commission in IMA Dehradun.
भूटान के जेंटलमैन कैडेट भी आईएमए देहरादून में ट्रेनिंग लेकर अपने देश की सेना को नए आयाम देना चाहते हैं।
I am Junior Under Officer Tanindoji from Bhutan. I like to share why I am in Indian Military Academy.
Yes.
Being as a Bhutani cadet, I joined National Defense Academy in 2017, and from childhood itself, I'm so interested to join Army. And from there on, after graduating from class 12, I did interview in Bhutan. And Bhutan, there is no training academy for officers. They all used to train from India.
Okay.
So I got selected from there. After there, I joined NDA, and I passed out there from 2019, and I joined IMA after that.
अफगानिस्तान के जेंटलमैन कैडेट तो आईएमए देहरादून के प्रशिक्षण से इतने खुश हैं कि अपने देश लौटकर वहां के युवाओं को खुद ही ट्रेनिंग देना चाहते हैं।
I am Gentleman Cadet Ajab Gulatif from Afghanistan. Experience which I learned from Indian Military Academy. It was more than that which I heard, which I have been told that you will learn here, but it was more than that. Actually, my background, I come from civil background, from my own country. I don't have any experience because I don't join over there. So I learned lots of experience that how a military officer should be. I learned in tactic, in academy, and how an officer should be. I learned lots of things. So because of my experience, when I return to my country, I will motivate the next generation, next who wanted to work for their country. I will motivate them, I will support them, I will guide them to come to Indian Military Academy to train themselves. After that, join their own country forces and do best.
12 दिसंबर 2020 को आईएमए की पासिंग आउट परेड होने जा रही है। इनमें 325 जेसी भारत के हैं तो 11 अलग अलग देशों के 70 कैडेट भी शामिल हैं जो आगे चलकर अपने अपने देशों की सेनाओं में अफसर बनेंगे।
So here we had a conversation with the foreign cadets who are at present in IMA Dehradun, and now soon they'll be the part of POP, Passing Out Parade, that will be held on 12th of December. So here, as they have shared their experience with ETV Bharat, and now they can easily say that they are a groomed personality now, and for the future generation, they can say that they will surely motivate the future generation to be a part of army, because this job is not just prestigious, but this has also changed their entire personality. So this is Pragati Pacholi from IMA Dehradun with camera person Vishu Sani.